Hi, this is Bernadette Krystow with Engel and today I would like to introduce to you this adorable and affordable one-bedroom condo in Novato, Marin County, 30 minutes from San Francisco and 20 minutes to wine country. So come on in and let me show you around. Here we have this lovely foyer entryway, luxurious living room with a nice wood-burning fireplace for cozy evenings, private balcony with gorgeous views to the mountains. And what's lovely about this condo is the open floor plan. You can be cooking in the gourmet kitchen, yet engaging in a conversation with your family and guests. Nice dining area. This condo has its own washer and dryer. We have air conditioning. So come on in and let me show you this lovely master retreat. Double glazed windows. Again, beautiful views. Peace and tranquility in this condo. We have a lovely master bath with a separate vanity. Why rent when you can own? Call Bernadette at 415-524-3898 with any questions. Have a lovely day. Be safe and healthy.